Public health is about saving lives, but behind the scenes, it's also about numbers, rates, and patterns. What if math could help us predict outbreaks before they spread? What if calculus could guide public health decisions in real time? Based on decades of expertise, this handbook brings together applied calculus and public health epidemiology, transforming equations into tools for outbreak response, disease surveillance, and prevention. Here at Disease Modeling Academy, Math Meets Public Health, we'll explore these concepts chapter by chapter. From exponential growth to differential equations, you'll see how math and medicine unite to protect populations. Subscribe to Disease Modeling Academy, Math Meets Public Health, and discover how math saves lives.